Yes, in this video, we will discuss about the line spacing command. Okay, line space command, or linear spacing, or equal spacing. So we can call like linear spacing, line spacing, equal spacing. So we have a lot of names to this command. So we'll see by using how we can create vectors, by using this command, line space command. Okay, so the heading, see the heading, we have creating a vector with linear equal spacing by specifying the first term and last term and the number of terms. So we can create this linear or line space command by specifying first term, last term, and the number of terms. Okay, so by seeing the points, we can understand how we can create. Okay, see this. See the first point: a vector with n elements. Vector with n elements that are equally spaced, in which the first element is xi and the last element is xf, can be created by line space command. Yes, vector with n elements. Number of elements is n elements, and that are equally spaced. N elements, all those elements are equally spaced, and first element is xi, last element is xf, that we can create by using line space command. Okay, so here MATLAB gives correct spacing. See the representation, line space command representation. See variable name, assignment, line space, and in the curved parenthesis we have xi comma xf comma n. Here xi is the first element, xf is the last element, and n represents the number of elements. Okay, so if we see the example, then we can clearly understand. Okay, so when we do not mention the number of elements, then the default is 100. Okay, xi is first element, xf is last element, and n is the number of elements, right? So if we do not mention the number of elements, then the default is 100. So MATLAB takes as default number as 100. Okay, default number of elements as 100. So for that also we'll see one example. So then by seeing the example, we can clearly understand. Okay, so see the example 1. So VA assignment line space, in the curved parenthesis we have typed like 0 comma 8 comma 6. So this is the line space command representation. So what are the values we have? First element is 0, and the last element is 8, and n number of elements, last element is n, number of elements is 6. So first element is 0, last element is 8. So we have to create number of elements as 6. So for this range 0, 8, in between we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, lot of values are there. So what is the range here? 0 to 8. 0 to 8 is the range. So for that range we have to create 6 elements, and those 6 elements also equal spacing. those 6 elements also we have to create with equal spacing. Okay, equal spacing, line spacing, linear spacing. Okay, so if we type like that and press the enter key button, then MATLAB displays the output like VA assignment 0 and next space 1.6 space 3.2 space 4.8 space 6.4 space 8.0 like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 elements. 6 elements the MATLAB is generated, and in those 6 elements, first element is 0 and the last element is 8. Okay, what is the equal spacing here? 1.6. 0 plus 1.6, 1.6, 1.6 plus 1.6, 3.2, 3.2 plus 1.6, 4.8, 4.2 plus 1.6, 6.4, 6.4 plus 1.6, 8.0. So like that, MATLAB creates the vector. MATLAB creates the vector consisting of elements by using line space command. By using line space command, MATLAB creates the vector like this. Okay. So 0 to 8 is the range. So 0 to 8 is the range. In that range, we have specified number of elements as 6. Number of elements as 6. So MATLAB in this range 0 to 8, in this range MATLAB divides that range into 6 values. Okay, MATLAB divides that range 0 to 8 range, that range divides into 6 values. So divides into 6 values, so we can automatically get equal spacing. We can automatically get equal spacing. Okay, so like that. So after seeing the example, after discussing the example, you all have got the idea, right? So okay, yes, and then next see the example 2. Example 2, yes, we have typed like VB assignment line space. In the curved parenthesis, we have typed 30, comma 10, comma 11. Okay. In this, the first element is 30 and the last element is 10. The last element is 10. And the number of elements we have specified as 11. The number of elements we have specified as 11. Okay, so the range is what? 30 to 10, 30 to 10. And how many number of elements we need? So 11 elements, right? We have specified as number of elements as 11. So MATLAB divides this range. MATLAB divides this range into 11 elements with equal spacing. With equal spacing. See, after typing like this, press the enter key button, then we got the output like, see, 30 space 28 space 26 space 24 22 20 18 16 14 12 10. Okay, so if we count this, we have 11 elements here. Okay, so 11 elements, and what is the equal space we have here? Equal space is 2 ma 30 minus 2 28, 28 minus 2 26, like that, and so on up to 12 minus 2 10. So we have 11 elements, and the range is what? 30 to 10. First element is 30 and the last element is 10. So in this range, in between this range, we need, so for this range we need 11 elements. So if you type like that, then MATLAB creates the vector like this. Yes, and then next we'll see the example 3. See the example 3 ma. See the example 3. Yes. We have typed like U assignment line space in the curved parenthesis. We have typed 49.5 comma 0.5. Those two values we have written. Okay. So here this 49.5 is the first value, first term, and the 0.5 is the last term or last value. So here we have not mentioned the number of elements. Okay, here we have not mentioned the number of elements. So we have already discussed if we do not mention the number of elements, then MATLAB automatically defaultly MATLAB takes the number of elements as 100. Are you getting my point? Understanding? So if we do not mention the number of elements, then MATLAB automatically defaultly takes the number of elements as 100. So 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 now we get this is the range, right? 49.5 is the first element, 0.5 is the last element. This is the range. For this range, MATLAB creates 100 elements. Okay, defaultly number of elements MATLAB takes as 100, right? So 49.5 to 0.5, in between those two, MATLAB creates 98 elements. Okay, 98 elements, and the first element and the last element, if we add those two elements also, then we'll get 100 elements. Okay, so see after typing like this, then we press the enter key button, then so U assignment columns 1 through 10, 49.5, 49.0051, 48.5101, like that. These are the first 10 elements. So first element to 10 elements, and then next 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. All elements are we are not displaying here. Okay, we are not displaying all 100 elements. Okay, so we are displaying first 10 elements and last elements. See, columns 91 through 100, columns 91 through 100. So columns 91 through 100. So last 10 elements, these are the last 10 elements. Okay, so 44.9545, 4.4596, and so on up to 0.5000. Okay, so like this we are displaying here first 10 elements and last 10 elements. In between first and last 10 elements, we have 80 elements are there. All those 80 elements are we are not displaying. Okay, so if we write all those elements, so it will be very big, it seems like very big. Okay, so that's why. So same example ma for different numbers. See the example 4. So for better understanding, see the example for A assignment line space 100 comma 1, 100 comma 1. 100 is first term, and the 1 is the second term, last term. Okay, so here also we are not mentioning the number of elements. So in that case, MATLAB takes defaultly number of elements as 100. So with this we can understand clearly, so how it is dividing this range into 100 elements. So what is the range? 100 to 1, this is the range. For this range, MATLAB creates the 100 elements. See, so columns 1 through 10, see the first 10 elements are 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. So those are the first 10 elements. And the next that is 1 to 10. Next 20 to 22, next 10 to 20, What are the elements you can get? 90, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. So like, and the next 20 to 30, 80, 79, 79 and so on up to 71, like that. So like that, MATLAB divides, and then see the last 10 elements ma, columns 91 to 91 through 100, last 10 elements, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are the last 10 elements. So in between first 10 elements and last 10 elements, we have 80 more elements are there. So and we are not displaying, we are not typing, we are not writing all the 80 elements in between those two. Okay, so simply we are showing first 10 elements and last 10 elements. In between 80 elements are there. Okay, 80 elements are there. So with this fourth example, we can clearly understand if we do not mention the number of elements, so how the MATLAB divides the range into 100 elements. Okay, so now you all have got an clear idea about this, right? Okay, so simple ma. First two examples, we have mentioned the number of elements, and in the third and fourth example, we have not mentioned the number of elements. Then then the MATLAB takes the default number of elements as 100. Okay, so that's all about the line space command. So I hope all of you understand this line space command. Okay, so that's all for now ma, and next topic we'll see in the next session. Okay, so as of now, that's all. Okay, so thank you.